Hey guys, I have more orders for Galaxy Pendants, so I thought I would just videotape it so you could see again. Okay, so what I am doing is I'm using my craft resin, okay, and I mixed it. It's a 1-to-1 ratio, okay, so it's fully mixed. Okay, what I've learned is instead of pouring dropping the rainbow Marabu into the cavities after I do the resin, it disperses the stars prettier in the galaxy if you put it in the resin prior to the pour. Okay, so I'm going to put some in here. Not going to count my drops, I'm just going to put some in. Okay, and I'm going to stir it up and see what it looks like to me. Okay, stir it real good. See if it's got enough shimmer. I think it's got a pretty good amount of shimmer. Okay. Okay, so then I'm going to pour it into my cavities, and I'll do the ones that I have the orders for. Okay. And this has the shimmer in it, so yes, it's making it much nicer and more evenly distributed, okay, instead of just pouring it in on top. So that we're going to put enough in our cavities, but we're not going to go clear to the top because we have to have room for our inks. Okay, remove my board. We'll do this one down here too. Everybody seems to really love the galaxies. They do turn out really nice. Okay. Then we'll do this one up here. Scoot it over a little bit so you can see it better. Okay. Okay, now not clear to the top because we need room for our alcohol inks. Okay, so I've got some left over, so I might as well pour one of the hearts because the hearts are really popular. Might as well make one in advance. Okay. Okay, now in order to make the galaxies, I always put in the same colors. Okay. So let's just do the heart while we're there. Okay, we're going to do the blue. And we're going to put in some green. I always do a little bit of red. We'll do a little bit of black. Okay. And then, of course, we're going to do some yellow, because yellow seems to bring everything out. You know, I say that every time, but that's the way that it works for me. Okay, now you can see it expanding, see, and bringing its colors to light. Yep. Okay, now let's mix up the rest of them. Design the rest. Let me see where I can get it so you can see it better. Okay, so this time we're going to put a little bit of red. And we're going to put some blue. Okay. Then we're going to put some green. Put a smidgen of black. Some yellow. Okay. See how it's bubbling, getting all pretty? It's making its galaxy. Okay, what I normally do too is I will put some of the Let's Resin Sinker White in it, just to give it that little look. So I don't put a lot, because I don't want it to turn out, you know, like a Petri. But I do need a little bit of the white in there, just a smidgen. Okay, just to give it its galaxy effect. Okay. Let's do another one. Let's start with some green. Because it doesn't matter how hard you try, your galaxy is never going to be the same. I use the same colors, but it wouldn't matter if I laid it out in the direction that it needed to be exactly the same. It would never turn out exactly the same. That's just the way alcohol inks and resin work. Okay, let's put some yellow. And some black. Okay. Then we're going to put a little bit of our sinker white to give it some depth. Just a smidgen. Okay. Okay, then we have one more to design. Up here. Start out with our blue. Some green, some red, some black, and yellow, of course. And we'll put in our sinker white. It's going to be a smidgen. Okay. Okay, so then we got them all made for the orders. I zoom my camera out a little bit so you can see. Got them all made. Oh, excuse me. I lied. I still have one. Got this one up here. Put my thing so you can see it a little bit better. There we go. I put some green in it. Gonna put some red in it. Some blue. Some black. Some yellow. When the yellow hits, I just love the colors that form. It just makes my day happy. Okay, and then we're going to put a little bit of the sinker white in. Okay, now we have them all prepared. Okay, okay, so I have 4 orders, and I had leftover resin, so I made the 5th one because it'll sell, and especially since it's a heart, it'll sell. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to let the galaxies just do what they want to do. I'm going to let them sit for 1 hour, and then I'm going to come back and stir my galaxies. So I'll be back. Okay, now we're back. We're going to stir. Okay, we're going to give it the galaxy stir. Doesn't matter exactly how you do it. Just don't touch the bottom of your mold and scratch it. I just do mine in kind of like a circle. Okay. Then you wipe off your stick in between each one. Okay. Just drag your colors around and your stars. Okay, I'll give you up close so you can see what I'm doing. Okay. Just drag your colors. Okay, and we waited an hour, so it's kind of sticky. See how it's dragging the colors and the stars? Just let it drip off. Okay, we got one more to stir. Okay. Now we'll let them cure. Okay, so now we got them all stirred. And we'll be back when we demold. And we're back. Okay, time to reveal what we did. Let's see. Let me get a little closer here for you. Okay, let's try our first piece. See how our galaxies turned out. Oh my. They are just like so fun. I am sure my customers are going to love this. Okay, next. Let's see. Because you never know what's going to happen or what you're going to get. Okay? Wow. What do you think? Nice galaxy? I think it's pretty good. Okay. See, even the backs are pretty. Oh my goodness. They turned out amazing. I think that's why these are so popular. Look at that. Oh yeah. Perfect galaxies. These will be turned into beautiful necklaces. Okay. This one we had extra, remember, and we just went ahead and made it. I didn't have an order for it, but I'm sure someone will love it. Oh yeah. You know, this is why I love working with resin. Every piece tells its own story. These certainly did. So if you're learning with me, make sure you subscribe. It's free. Until next time.